Yes, hello. This is Audio Solution. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell for more of our content. Yeah, today we are going to talk about recording and monitoring in real time. This can happen when, for example, you have a live gig. You maybe there is someone communicating something, and you're recording at the same time. What is being recorded is what you want the audience to be listening at the same time. It can also happen that you have a live instrument, a guitarist wants to record into the program, but then he can't hear what he's recording, or he's hearing what he's recording, but there is a delay, so he can't play in real time. So that's the issue I'm going to talk about today. So if you check here, for example, if I'm talking, I can see the signal going through here. I can see the signal, but it's not coming in the output. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first put on this input monitor, so I can hear my voice also coming through the speakers. I can hear it now. See, when this is off, it doesn't go through. So when it's on, it goes through. But now the problem is it's going through, but it's delayed. The signal is a bit delayed. So it's somehow inconveniencing. So I'm going to go to Logic X, then audio. Then I'm going to select this buffer size here. Then I'm going to bring it to a lower, maybe 256 can do, but I can go to 128. Yeah, or 256 can do. Then I'm going to apply changes. Then when I'm done, you can hear now it's in real time. Like what I'm talking, I'm not hearing as a feedback. It's in real time. So there you can now begin to record. You can activate the recorder, then I can record. Yeah, I can record that. Now you see I'm recording while I can hear what I'm recording in real time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell for more of our content. In case you have any questions, please, you can put them up and I'll answer them as fast as possible. Thank you.